Hello, it's me again. Welcome to my new channel. I've been doing a lot more videos this week. So today I've started to create a new video about being the vacuums, washing machines and vacuum cleaners and others. So this is the message to a world. So do you know these washing machines? Yeah, and that's why we've got the internet washing machine. So I'm a new YouTube channel still filming on my washing machines. It's just like that. So I hope you have a good day. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.